Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your Xbox Ultimate controller without the Xbox One or Xbox Series X around. And this is very easy to do. So I have my controller turned on. Maybe it's connected to your PC or your phone. All you simply need to do is hold down the Xbox button right here on the controller. So hold this down for about 5 to 10 seconds and you'll notice the controller will automatically turn off. So the controller is now turned off. So this one is a little bit different because there is no battery pack on the back where you can simply just remove the battery. So now we can just simply press the Xbox button and it will turn on. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.